Ariana Grande openly defends Justin Bieber, so what's her take on all the drama, including the arrest? I'm your host, Chelsea Briggs, coming to you from Hollywood, and you're watching the Hollywire Hot Minute. So obviously, Justin is the biggest news story right now. So much drama, and everyone's waiting to see what's he gonna do next. Well, as one of the few celebs to speak out, Ariana, who's also managed by Scooter, thinks everyone should have a little more compassion for him. She told Mix 104.1, "I think it's really serious. I've seen tweets of people making fun of the mugshot and all this stuff, and it's so ignorant. It's gotten to a point where I just want him to be okay. It's this very serious thing. It's not just like a kid who's, screwing around. It's dangerous." Ariana talked further about the backlash surrounding Justin, saying, "I don't think it's funny anymore. I mean, you could throw an egg at a house, who the hell cares? But it's just the health part that is concerning to me because he's a great and a very talented boy, and I want the best for him, so I just hope that he's okay." A also took to Twitter to tweet her feelings, and while she didn't include J-Beeb's name in her mention, it's pretty clear who she was directing it at. She tweeted, "Days like today remind us how much more compassion, understanding, and tolerance we need to have for one another. Less judgment and critique. We're all humans and we all have great amounts of pressure on us. When someone's hurting, be there. We could all use a little more compassion." All right, fair enough, Ariana, but I want to know what you think. What are your thoughts on Ariana sticking up for Justin? Do you think you'd do the same thing if you were her? Or, you know what, it's kind of none of her business. Maybe she should just stay out of it. Let's talk it out right now in the comment section below. Do it, yeah, do it, and thumbs up, like, and favorite this video, and then subscribe. That'd be great. For Hollywire.com, I'm Chelsea Briggs, and I'll see you guys later. It is time for Instagram shoutouts. Yes! Shah Hamid XXX. Can I please have a shout out? Because I really want one, and you're pretty, and I like watching you. I would be amazed to get a shout out. I will stay tuned to see if I get a shout out. Well, I hope you're tuning in right now. Here's your shout out. And I'm following you on Instagram right now. At Sophia Animal, you said, "Did you catch a cold? Your voice sounds a little hoarse on Hollywire." Oh my God, I did. Do you hear it? I'm actually getting a little bit better. You called me out, but it's okay. I appreciate that you watched and noticed. That means you know my voice well enough to know that I am sick. So you guys, go take your flu shots and vitamins and emergency, because you don't want that. Love you. See you later.